war baman kisngi awalam shipi da unang yalam news.
Hakikan taya taya po assembly. Chief Minister Konrad Kesangma ulawan ra ekamang Tyngka kabahe kaba lakantewi ka mekhalia hakini kisnem kibamenta. Ulayathu bakamang nakabanta External Aid Project EAP kabalong laisha naka 8,000 crore house nem 8,000 khatnyo khatpra shaka 9,000 crore menta. Kajing pelut kabala pelong daken 0.0 sen naka 6,000 crore house nem 8,000 khatnyo khatpra shaka khandai 1,000 crore menta. Bat ulaong shushu bakamang kan senangkiu da 10,000 crore hakini kisaus nem. Chief Minister ulaong ro bakamang Tyngka kajala kan nangkiu bat kane kapani baka sorkar kalatre shibun hai kampen roy.
If you look at investments from externally aided projects, we had 2,502 crores in 2017-18, and today that has gone 3 times to 7,427 crores. The capital expenditure, one of our honorable members from opposition was mentioning, that out of the 30,000 crores, 1/3 only is capital expenditure. The size of the budget has grown, and therefore, even though, sir, the 1/3, the capital investment this year or last year, this is last year's numbers, was 1/3, you can see the growth in the capital expenditure. Where it was in 2017-18 at 1,435 crores, the size of the capital expenditure has jumped up to 9,447 crores and crossing 10,000 crores in this financial year. So to answer and reply to large part of what the opposition member had mentioned, that yes, sir, we desire to increase it more and more, but this number and this chart reflects the kind of work that is already happening and the fact that the capital expenditure has gone up from 1,400 to, that is 1,400 crores to today at 9,447. States' own resources, which was at 1,817 at the beginning of the term, first term of this government, today we have crossed 4,000 crores. And similarly, so on and so forth, even I'll go straight to the last number, which is the PMAY, where we had 140 crores in terms of PMAY investment or expenditure in 2017-18. But today, last year, in fact, we had an expenditure of 1,446 crores. So this is the kind of direction that we're moving towards. This is the momentum that we have gained, and we will continue to maintain this momentum in the coming 3 years. Next.
War baman kisngi subscribe ka channel unang yalam news.